Okay, we're at Disney Trading Post, prepping for the hurricane, and we bought some groceries, so I'm going to share with you what we got. So this is what we already had, and we have 2 cases of water we ended up bringing on our flight with us because we didn't think we could get delivery. Probably ended up being a good thing. I do have a coffee maker in the room, which I'm excited about, and I have lots of this Joffrey's coffee. Coffee is important to me, so that'll be helpful. But I want to share with you guys what we bought at the store to get us through worst case scenario. And you will see that this is, yes, worst case scenario. My son really wanted us to get this. So an 8-pack of cereal. We have these 4 flavors, and these 4, this was like $7, I think, which is ridiculous, but everything's ridiculously priced here. These were $5.59 Tostitos scoops. This is about as non-perishable. We have a mini fridge, but we don't have any sort of like way to heat up food here. So we thought chips and salsa would be really easy. So we thought chips and salsa, it's a poor meal, I know that, but it's better than, we have cakey, sugary things, nuts. We also got Doritos to go with the salsa. Those were $5.59. The salsa was $4.49. It was $5.59 for these Ruffles. And the French onion dip was, I think, $4.49 as well. So we got these. We're gonna see if we find anything else. There wasn't a ton of selection. They did have bread, but they had no peanut butter, no jelly, nothing to put on the bread. So here was our receipt, and we spent a total of $31.57, which is a lot for this much groceries, but at the same time, when you're at Disney, it felt like a steal. So this is like worst case scenario, stuck in our room, can't get to any of the restaurants, which is our main source of meals right now. Another thing that we bought, I'm here at our fridge, is we bought each of our kids one of these giant refrigerated dill pickles. We saw those, they were $1.99 a piece, so $6, and we thought that'd be good hurricane food. We have candy as well. And when we're at the park today, we might find more snacks. We, again, need something that we don't need to heat up. Very little refrigerator room. We don't have utensils, bowls, any of that kind of stuff. So we feel like it's slim pickings. We're probably also going to try to get fresh fruit cups if we can find them. But that's what we have. And it's interesting. It'll feel like, I think, a giant sleepover for a few days if we're stuck in our room. This is the size of our room. And then the bathroom. So it's small. There's 5 of us, but we're making the best of it and we're enjoying what we can. And those are the groceries that are going to get us through the next few days. We are still out of the hurricane, but Wednesday, Thursday, it's supposed to be here. So we'll see. I'm a Michigander. I don't do hurricanes. So we'll see how this pans out. Okay, so we ended up going to the store and they had barely anything left again. We are officially on lockdown today starting at 3 p.m. We don't know when we're going to leave. They're going to hopefully have box lunches later, but it was such a madhouse. We're going to go back, I guess. But we got 3 of these Cokes. They were $14.07. We let each kid just basically pick a drink that wasn't water because we have a lot of water. They all picked Cokes. We got an orange juice. This is $5.49. And we have the hotel room coffee cups. And then we got these 2 Doritos, and they were each $4.79, which I was wrong yesterday. Our Doritos from yesterday must have been $4.79. But those were eaten. After a late night at the park, we busted into those early. So we added these to our grocery haul. Options are limited. They were sold out of a lot of things this morning. And we're going to hopefully go back and maybe get a pizza or a box lunch. We'll see. If you want to see our original grocery haul of snacks that I brought here, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.